Here we're going to take a quick look at the Ritter R202T double spindle boring machine. Inside the cabinet you can see the two independent motors driving the two different tools. This machine is a 220 single phase plug, also requires compressed air. And underneath here in our work area is the tooling. We did install a new tool recently, as well as the new pneumatic pressure pad. That is what holds the workpiece in place when you press on the foot pedal. We'll go ahead and turn on the machine now for you. You can see everything fires up and sounds good. We'll go ahead and put a pocket hole and a through hole in this piece of wood. You can see it's very quick. There's our angled pocket hole, as well as the through hole up top. This has been a quick video on the Ritter R202T. If you have any questions, please let us know. And thanks for watching.